Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. In today's video I am working on a 2018 Subaru Legacy, and the vehicle has a check engine light, and the thing of it is, on Subaru there's more than check engine light when the lights come on. So when you have a check engine light come on, you're going to have a BS light, traction light, eyesight. You're going to have a whole bunch of lights come on the dash, just like so. But there's only one problem.
Or top 20 hits, including this.
I'm gonna start the car.
There is a reason they're in the Songwriters Hall of Fame.
You can see you have eyesight, traction brake, ABS. All of these lights come on at once. Well, the trouble code that I'm working on is P1449 vent control filter clogging. All right, so if you obviously gonna get more codes. Those other codes don't mean anything. As soon as you clear your check engine, they'll go away, so don't be fooled. This vehicle has an issue with a vent, charcoal vent filter, which is located underneath the car. Charcoal canister is located here. Very important, do not overfill your gas tank. A lot of people fill their gas tank and they try to top it off all the way to the filler neck. Don't do it, or you're gonna have the same problem. I'll show you where the filter located. We need to hoist the car up. Okay, so this is the vent filter, charcoal vent filter, and part number right here. It's being held with two 10mm bolts, and then the evap hose get connected to that side. So if you blow in it, you should be able to feel your air coming out of this hole. But when I blow in it, it does not, I can feel that it's clogged. And that usually happens if you overfill your gas tank. It could damage it. It's not expensive part. I think it's about $27 to $40. And it's located underneath the vehicle, right above the rear cradle, behind the fuel tank. Okay, so I'm underneath the vehicle. Here's what I did. It's located right above your rear differential, right on top. I pulled it out, and that's the hose with the yellow clip. Let me see if I can get, you see that hose right here? That hose gets connected to the filter. And then the symptoms are this. So your check engine light comes on. Okay, you're not gonna notice any drivability issues, but you'll have your check engine light come on, and then when you're filling up your gas tank, your nozzle constantly popping out. That's the first sign that that thing is clogged. Okay, so the customer goes to the gas station. Every time he fills the car, the nozzle constantly popping off, and it smells like fuel. So that's the first sign. So in order to get to it, there's two 17mm bolts that you gotta take out on this side, and same thing over here. So what I did, I gently lowered the rear differential, because there's no way you can pull it out without lowering this. And we're gonna install a new part and clear the codes. But that's the problem that we had with this car. So like I said, do not overfill your gas tank. All right, so this is the part number for this specific vehicle. Brand new part. I won't be able to videotape myself putting it in, but I'll show you once I install it where it's located. So right now, if I blow into this side, I can feel the air coming out from the back, and that's what we need to do. So every time you're filling up your gas tank, a reminder, don't fill it all the way to the neck, because what's gonna happen, the fuel can go right through and damage your charcoal canister. And this repair at Subaru dealership is slightly over $700 for the parts, and because they replace charcoal canister and filter and labor, so it's going to be a little bit over $1,000. Just letting you know. So I'm going to show you once it's done. Okay, so this is the shot, as you could see, where the new part has been installed. Like I said, it's a little difficult, especially I'm working and I don't have a tripod, and even if I did have a tripod, there would be no way I'd be able to videotape myself doing this. It's being held with two 10mm bolts. There's one, and then there's one on this side as well. You could see it, and one hose connected to it with the yellow clip. So now I put that all back. I'm gonna resecure the rear differential, clear the codes, and show you once the lights go off the dash. All right, so I went ahead and cleared the code. As you can see, all the lights went off. There's no more lights, and vehicle is done. So now I can go to the gas station and freely put fuel without having the nozzle popping out. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive. That's how you repair P1449 vent control filter clogged. Thanks for watching.